Ozzy, is Joey dressed up like a chicken?
Cluck, cluck.
Buck, 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 buck. Joey's a chicken. Let's look at the picture. Can I see the picture? Say buck, 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 buck. Let's see Joey. Let me see the picture. Joey's a chicken.
Do you know the chicken man?
Buck, 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 buck.
Somebody's tired.
Yeah. Do you have the picture of Joey? Can we see the picture?
Can Daddy see it?
Whoa. Yes, you can see it. Rousey, look at Joey. He's dressed up like a chicken. Buck, 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 buck. He's dressed up for Halloween. Good girl. Buck, 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 buck.